So guys, welcome to my channel. You can see this is gigabyte.com website. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side search button, click to type and then press type your model number, then hit enter. Z790 AORUS master. Click on product. This one. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11. If you have any operating system, so you can install any version. You can watch this video and install any operating system. VLAN driver means Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. And open. Double click to exe. So this is version Wi-Fi 6E. So finally this is installed, guys.